We're getting ready for our Céilí in the Kitchen on June 12th.
And here's one of the songs we'll be singing.
As we gather in the chapel here in old Cruinniú jail, I think about these past few weeks. Oh, will they say we failed? From our school days they have told us we must yearn for liberty. Yet all I want in this dark place is to have you here with me. Oh, grace, just hold me in your arms and let this moment linger. They'll take me out at dawn and I will die. With all my love I place this wedding ring upon your finger. There won't be time to share our love, so we must say goodbye. There won't be time to share our love, so we must say goodbye.
That's one of the songs we'll be doing for our Céilí in the Kitchen, and I hope you enjoy getting ready for your Céilí in the Kitchen too.